Aber Plumbing is a residential and commercial plumbing contractor serving the entire CSRA. We provide quality service and top-notch workmanship. From new construction to remodel and repair, Aber Plumbing is your plumbing choice for all your plumbing needs. Plumbing repairs are our specialty. We perform every type of plumbing repair and installation and provide emergency 24-hour service. We are licensed, bonded, and insured, and proud to serve the CSRA in a professional and friendly manner. We offer discounts to military personnel and senior citizens. Quality service guaranteed, and the price is right. Aber Plumbing, 706-825-1453.